Live sessions meet e-learning in LearnWorlds. How do you set one up? With Zoom. We're going through that today.
We are e-learning partners, and we want to thank you so much for being at the channel, subscribing, and liking the channel. You're amazing. But we got a free masterclass for you, which teaches you how to successfully launch and distribute an e-learning program, an online course every single time. So go down to the description
So
below,
use LearnWorlds
click on that link
and create
access it.
an amazing course for your learners. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go click on My School. You're gonna sign in if you're not signed in. If you are signed in, you're gonna click on this, Access Your School. It's gonna load. And evidently I've been told that I do a lot of this.
Exactly, you know, I mean, this is we're directing the crowd, ladies.
Okay, then we're gonna go to our courses, click on ASDA. So you're either gonna create a new course or go to a course you already have. We have a paid course called ASDA. You should buy it. Actually, it doesn't exist, so you don't need to buy it.
Instead of saying test, we decided to say ASDA.
It's just easy to hit.
Yeah.
So we go to contents, then we go to add an activity. All right. Then once we go to add an activity, we go to live sessions.
Boom.
Then we click on Zoom meeting, Zoom webinar, or WebEx meeting. We're gonna preferably use Zoom, so we're gonna click on Zoom meeting.
And on good old Zoom.
And we're gonna give it a name, ASDA. So now we added the activity. It says Zoom not activated. So we gotta activate the Zoom.
Boom.
We go here, we click on the activate. Then we click on the enable if we want those instructor accounts.
Then we gotta hit what?
Add account.
We gotta hit what?
Proceed.
We gotta hit what?
So now we're going to sign on in, okay? So I'm gonna go this account right here, Johnny, you know, I'm not gonna tell you my email. And then we're gonna, you know, press the allow button.
We're gonna hit allow.
Allow or decline, but if you decline, I mean, why are you even here? So, now if you want to disconnect and add a new account, click on disconnect. But that is it. And now you go save.
It's as simple as that.
And let's preview this, huh? So let's go back to our course.
To ASDA.
And then we're gonna go to our preview. Go to content, preview, course player. Here's what we want. So then we open this up, we go to the ASDA, and look, as a student, I see the live session is not ready yet. Please wait for the host to start the session.
We gotta wait.
So the learner is waiting, the host, the instructor's starting, and that is that. So we have a video recommendation for you, and it is an entire playlist about LearnWorlds for you. Also, check out our link below this video to a LearnWorlds free trial, 30 free days, and you show your support to us, and we're gonna hook you up with a Greek specialist from the motherland, Greece.
Woo! It's
all
from my motherland,
about
everybody.
LearnWorlds.
We will see you in that playlist.